Need to add a new payment method for your rides on Lyft? Adding your debit card makes paying for your trips convenient and easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to add a debit card to Lyft. To add a debit card, open the Lyft app on your smartphone. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines, in the top left corner. Navigate to Payment or Payment Methods. You'll see your current payment methods and an option to add payment method or add card. Select Credit Debit Card and enter your debit card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll also need to provide your billing zip code. Finally, save the card details. Lyft might perform a small authorization charge, which is immediately refunded, to verify the card. Once successfully added, your debit card will be set as a payment option for your Lyft rides. And there you have it. Adding a debit card to Lyft is quick and convenient. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.